Most riders think a motorcycle battery dies because it's old, weak, or cheap. But that's the lie the motorcycle world has been quietly repeating for years, and it's the lie that keeps riders buying new batteries every season without ever questioning why. The truth is far more uncomfortable. Your battery isn't dying naturally, you're killing it slowly, every single day, without even realizing it. And once you understand how, everything changes. Because a motorcycle battery is not a simple box of power. It's a living chemical system, one that reacts to heat, neglect, vibration, humidity, voltage imbalance, and even the way you start your engine in the morning. Most riders treat their battery like a disposable accessory, but real experts treat it like a long-term investment, and that's exactly why their batteries last 10 years or more, while everyone else keeps wasting money. Here's the part riders hate hearing. Your battery doesn't fail when it reaches the end of its life. It fails when you reach the end of your habits. Tiny habits that drain power even when your ignition is off. Tiny mistakes that damage cells even when your bike is parked. Tiny oversights that turn a battery that should last a decade into one that barely survives a single year. But once you understand those mistakes, once you correct those habits, the battery suddenly becomes something else, something predictable, something reliable, something that feels almost immortal. And that's what today's video is going to do. Rewire the way you think about your battery forever. Because what you're about to learn is not tips, it's not maintenance advice. It's a complete shift in mindset, from treating your battery as an afterthought to treating it as the core heart of your motorcycle's survival. And here's the real twist. If you apply even a single trick from this video, your battery life will increase. If you apply all of them, your battery will outlive every expectation you ever had for it. And the craziest part, you won't need fancy tools, special chargers, or expensive gadgets. You only need understanding, real, practical understanding of how battery health actually works. So stay with me, because the next few minutes won't just make you a smarter rider, they'll make you a rider whose battery lasts 10 years longer than everyone else's. 1. Never start your bike and let it idle. Most riders think idling warms the engine, but for your battery, it's a slow death sentence. Idling doesn't generate enough charging voltage, so every time you warm up the bike this way, you're draining power instead of replenishing it. Over time, this habit quietly weakens the cells until the battery can't hold a charge at all. 2. Keep the terminals extremely tight and clean. Loose or dirty terminals act like tiny power leaks. Even a millimeter of corrosion can reduce voltage flow, forcing the battery to work harder than it should. This constant strain eats away at the internal plates, silently shaving years off the battery's life without you ever noticing until the day it refuses to start. 3. Avoid short rides under 15 minutes. Short rides are poison for battery health. The moment you start your engine, the battery dumps a huge burst of energy, and if the ride is too short, the alternator never has enough time to recharge what was lost. Do this repeatedly, and you create a permanent deficit that destroys long-term capacity. 4. Use a smart charger during long parking periods. When your motorcycle sits unused, the battery naturally loses charge through a process called self-discharge. A smart charger doesn't just recharge, it maintains perfect voltage without overcharging. This stability is what allows some riders' batteries to last 8, 10, even 12 years effortlessly. 5. Protect the battery from heat and vibration. Heat cooks a battery from the inside. Vibration shakes it apart molecule by molecule. Riders who ignore this think their batteries just die, but in reality, their environment is destroying the internal chemistry. A simple heat shield or secure mounting can double the battery's lifespan instantly. 6. Check your bike's charging system twice a year. Your battery doesn't die on its own, your charging system kills it. If your rectifier regulator delivers too much voltage, it fries the battery. If it delivers too little, the battery starves. A quick multimeter test twice a year ensures your battery doesn't get murdered by your own motorcycle. 7. Don't use cheap phone chargers on the bike. Plug-in accessories draw current, even when they're not active. Cheap chargers can create parasitic drain, a slow, invisible battery killer. Riders assume nothing is happening, but the battery is being drained 24/7, turning a perfectly good unit into a mystery failure. 8. Keep the battery fully charged during winters. Cold weather thickens battery chemistry, making it harder to deliver power. Cold weather thickens battery chemistry, making it harder to deliver power. A battery stored half-charged in winter can lose 50% of its lifespan in a single season. Keeping it fully charged ensures the internal plates stay active and healthy until riding season returns. 9. Never let the battery drop below 12.4 volts. Below this level, sulfation begins, crystals that permanently damage the battery's ability to hold charge. Most riders never check voltage until it's too late, but those who monitor it prevent the single most common cause of irreversible battery damage. 10. Start the bike with purpose. A long, weak crank drains the battery aggressively. Riding confidence isn't just about the engine, it's about starting decisively. A fast, strong start reduces stress on the battery, while hesitant starts wear it down. That one daily habit decides whether your battery lasts 2 years or 10. Funny thing is, now that you know these battery-saving secrets, you're already different from most riders. Most people will watch their battery die, replace it, complain about it, and repeat that cycle for years, without ever realizing it was their habits destroying it the whole time. But you now understand the truth, and once you see the truth, you can't unsee it. So here's what I want from you. Tell me in the comments, which one of these battery mistakes shocked you the most? Because the answer you choose reveals a lot about what kind of rider you really are. And I'm curious which habit you're going to fix first. And listen, if even one of these tips helped you, imagine what happens when this channel hits its first real milestone. So here's the challenge. Help this channel reach 1,000 subscribers, not for numbers, but to build a community of riders who actually understand their machines instead of destroying them slowly. If you're part of that kind of rider, you already know what to do next.